Hello, 7th grade Leicester Middle School Wildcats. This is the video for the week of April 20th through the 25th, where you can find where are your assignments and what they are. So, as always, we use this as a checklist. Go to the website and find the applicable time. So this week for A3, A4, B2, and ELA 7th, the little green apple. Alright, so dear students, I missed you, and this will have this video link in as soon as I'm finished creating it. So this week in Schoology, you're going to study your vocab words on Quizlet. Let me show you where you can find that. So, you go to assignments, and this is the teacher view. You won't see these, but you will see Teleschool. It's the only one, so you click on it. Alright, so vocabulary. You will click on the Quizlet, and you can play the Quizlet. The cards have already been made for you. Okay. Next, read From Flesh and Blood So Cheap, The Triangle Fire and Its Legacy from the story of, and there's a second story from the story of the Triangle Fire. Same topic, two different writings. And it's in your collections at these pages. Now, if for some reason you cannot access your online textbook, not a problem. It's right here in PDF. You can print it off and have your own hard copy. Don't know why it always flips the first page upside down, but everything else is the way it is, and if you print it off, you can just turn it around. It's right there, these two stories. Okay. The third thing this week is after you read this one, to do the reading comprehension to prove that you understand what you have read. So April 20th through 24th, or that should be 25th, I'll change it. Reading comprehension, From Flesh and Blood So Cheap, that's the story of the Triangle Factory Fire. Multiple choice, you do not have to do the written response. And then afterwards you do the concepts. There's a practice and quiz. Alright. Homework. If you have Miss Rochong for history, then you guys are working on the Documenting History in the Two Voices poem. I want you to work on that. So no homework from me, just extra time to work on that assignment. Alright, and of course we have some extra credit available through the free race. And then these are for fun and enrichment. Okay, thank you. Have a healthy quarantine.